As you can see, I am playing this game right now. And yes, while playing, I am making money. Your phone should not only be for entertainment. If you have an internet connection, you can also use it to make money online. Today, I want to show you an app called Blockbuster. In this app, there are two main ways to make money. The first way is by playing the game, just like I am doing now. The second way is by inviting your friends. If you want to try this app, check the download link in the first comment of this video. Download the app and sign up using your email address. Before we continue, please like this video and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Now let me show you the second way to make money. Open the second option called referral. Here, the app explains its referral program. When someone joins using your referral link and completes the required steps, you may receive money according to the app's referral program. Simply copy your referral link and share it with your friends. After they complete the required conditions, the app will process the referral reward based on its current rules. In part 2, I will show you how the withdrawal process works step by step. If you want part 2, write part 2 in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.